Hello and welcome to Bentley Motors headquarters in Crewe.
Our mission now is to make our total enterprise carbon neutral and the factory carbon positive.
One thing is we are going more to electrify our vehicles. That means next year we will launch 2 plug-in hybrids, and by 2026 we will have all of our cars plug-in hybrid or electric. The future of Bentley will be fully electric.
This is a platform for us to go out there and develop new sustainable materials, new craftsmanship, taking Bentley further into the next century.
By 2025, we want to be at 30% of diversity in our management team, again, with people coming from all walks of life.
This is profound change for the industry, and we want to lead that change. We're not frightened by it, we're inspired by it. We'll make sure we maintain all the wonderful things that people buy in our brand. The craftsmanship, the potent design, the effortless performance, and that total feeling of being in something extraordinary. Our cars in the future will look as inspirational and as glorious as they do today.